Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good too. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are they older or younger than you?
My brother is older. My sister is younger.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Daniel. He is 28 years old.
And your sister?
Her name is Emily. She is 15 years old.
Do you live with them?
I live with my sister and my parents. My brother lives in another city.
Do you talk to your brother often?
Yes, we talk on the phone every week.
What does your brother do?
He is a teacher. He teaches math at a high school.
What about your sister? Is she in school?
Yes, she is in high school. She is in the ninth grade.
Does she like school?
Yes, she loves it. Her favorite subject is art.
Now, let me tell you about my family too.
Okay, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers. I don't have a sister.
Two brothers. Are they older or younger?
Both of them are younger than me. I am the oldest.
What are their names?
The first one is Mike. He is 20 years old. The second one is Alex. He is 17 years old.
Do you live with them?
Yes, we all live together with our parents.
That must be fun. Do you fight sometimes?
Sometimes we fight, but we love each other very much.
That's normal for siblings. What does Mike do?
He is a university student. He studies computer science.
And Alex?
Alex is still in high school. He is in the 11th grade.
Does he have any hobbies?
Yes, he loves playing football. He plays every weekend.
That sounds fun. Do you play football too?
Sometimes. But I prefer basketball.
Are you close to your brothers?
Yes, very close. We help each other a lot.
That's great. Family is very important.
I agree. Family is the most important thing in life.
Yes, you're right. Thank you for sharing about your family.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
See you later, Tom.
See you later, Jack. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.